that you put in to the work that you do always is anchored on fairness, truth, objectivity. You try to be as objective as you can. The story is a story, and the story must be truthful and must be fair.
We are ANC, the ABCD News Channel. It is midnight Monday here in Manila and 5 p.m. Sunday in Brussels, Belgium. Good morning, I'm Mitch Busas, and here are your headlines this hour on ANC. Those still intending to catch flights at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport should allot more lead time. Jerome Lantin tells us about the passenger volume at the various NAIA terminals.
According to the Media Affairs Office of NAIA, since October 25, people have been queuing up in the airports, especially for the domestic flights, either for vacation or to come home to their provinces in time for All Saints' Day. Flights are fully booked for some tourist destinations like Cebu and Boracay. Because of the expected increase in volume of passengers, security in the airports has been beefed up. Members of the PNP are constantly doing rounds together with K9 units. The Media Affairs Office have yet to
Kaya
release
ba ang
the figures for
maglantawid
2016,
sini
but based on
na
the
may
figures
mga
last
ara
year,
iOS
passengers
ba
started to
patay
flock
gid.
from October 25 to October 30, with the number of
MGB
passengers
master
reaching
na
more than
videoan
10,000
ko
a day in
kung
Terminal 2,
malantawid
North
sini
Departure
na
and
do
Arrival,
bata-bata
more
pabala
than
ko na hindi bagit
5,000
sa
for
bala
Terminal
kabalo
3, and more
makag
than
makita na ni
8,000
tapos
for
kabalo
Terminal
man siya
4.
mga pong
As
mag
of now,
ba
there have
patay
been
gid
no
sabi
reported
niya ang
untoward incidents
MGP
and
master
traffic
gagwa sa
remains like
iOS
water.
pero di ba gagwa gid man galing bayad wala
For those
kaya nung
needing
gagwa ya
assistance, you may call the hotline number of the Manila International Airport Authority at 028771109 or text 0917-839-6242. President Duterte has ordered the dismantling of all checkpoints in the country unless set up against a specific target. Mr. Duterte says the checkpoints, particularly in Mindanao, are just causing travel delays. The president says checkpoints should only be put up if there is a possibility or A1 information that police or military targets will pass through a certain road. President Duterte placed the country under a state of emergency in September after a bomb blast in Davao City left 14 people killed and scores wounded. This allowed soldiers to join police patrols.
what is this look at it guy what is this I don't know. Oh, well, look at this. Get some signs.
EU member Belgium that had threatened to scupper the entire deal. Belgian politicians broke weeks of deadlock Thursday
You want a
to pave the
banana?
way for the land
You want a
EU
banana?
and the free trade
Oh
agreement.
my god! Where is it? Hey guy, I don't know where I am.
Will increase trade
Actually,
between partners by
what is
40%
this?
and boost the
What is this?
economy by
Oh
12
my
and Canada's
gosh.
economy by 12 billion.
Oh my god, Koy, is this the most giganticest? Oh my god, an awesome entrance.
Ba? Entrance.
Yes.
Di ka na mapatay, ah?
Ouch, 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 ouch. What the freak?
Zombie trap, ila? Kadto na sa door?
This fire, stop it. Fire. Oh my god. Hey, hey. Go, go, go. What's this say? Please collect the key from the chest. What? Where's the a TV remote? Alis akon.
More news at the top of the next hour. Stay in
Hidden light.
News 24/7.
Look. Collect the key. There's no key. Let's see.
Kasi ready ko yung kay mas sunod ako ano?
Aswang.
Ticket?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Let me just...
Yeah, don't forget to look right in the camera and slap your cheeks like this. And action!
Take this right on. Turn it over very light.
Kitchen. It's my kitchen. What is this?
He's good wire.
I didn't tell you flex out. No, I like the way he's flexing at you. I want to hear her complaining. Why, you...
How much longer till you finish editing, Nemo?
About 10 hours.
20 hours?
You like to shot a lot of footage? About 20 hours.
Jake, let's talk about our movie.
Okay.
I think we shot a lot of great stuff. But I'm thinking only half of it is usable.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
That's great.
I know.
You actually agree it's an action adventure.
Yeah. Wait, no.
What?
Romantic comedy.
What?
What do you mean, what?
That's right, Beano.
Incomplete. Okay. Are you sure?
Dear Bimo, please use only the best footage when cutting the movie. Love, Jake.
Oh my god, Ko, it's gigantic. Oh my.
As will I.
It's a swimming pool. Oh my god, so excited.
Yes. Yes. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Look at this freaking loggy. Hidden star? Hidden stairs? Hidden stairs, hey?
More of a romantic comedy, right, Bimo?
First, see the Bruins. Yeah, no thanks. Come here at the last. What's down here, bro? Do something gross. Door. Drop the redstone key. It's so freaking laggy.
Beano's right. Planning over this movie jump is dumb. I'm sorry.
Me too, dude. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't wait till next week's movie club.
There we go. It's my bed. How awesome is this?
Every 100 years, it spews evil spores across the land.
Then let's burn it right down to the root of it. Dude, I can hear a bunch of eyeballs peeking us from the woods.
What? Is this an extra butt? Quick, Jake, burn the tree.
I've been shooting it to pieces. Dude, the tree's about to explode. It's evil juice all over. No! Is it crushing him on?
No, it's just hugging me gently.
Oh!
A farm room? Are you serious?
Jake says, hello. Hey, buddy, you okay? didn't even tell me its name. What? Oh, sweet.
Wait, which is new, this or this? I think it was here. The one that right here.